Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive an Audi A5 manual. First, familiarize yourself with the three pedals on the floor: the clutch on the left, the brake in the middle, and the accelerator on the right. The clutch pedal is crucial for changing gears smoothly, as it temporarily disconnects the engine from the wheels. Before starting, ensure the car is in neutral and your foot is firmly on the brake. This foundational understanding is key to mastering your manual Audi A5. To begin driving, press the clutch pedal all the way down with your left foot and select first gear with the shifter. Now, slowly release the clutch pedal until you feel the car start to engage, known as the biting point. Simultaneously, gently press the accelerator with your right foot to give the engine power. As you gain speed, press the clutch again, shift to second gear, and repeat the process for higher gears, aiming for smooth transitions. When you need to slow down, downshift to a lower gear. This uses engine braking, which helps reduce wear on your brake pads. For example, if you are in fourth gear and slowing, press the clutch, shift to third, release the clutch, and then repeat for second and first. To stop completely, press both the clutch and the brake pedals simultaneously, bringing the car to a smooth halt. Once stopped, shift into neutral. Mastering a manual Audi A5 takes practice, especially for smooth clutch engagement and hill starts. Find an empty parking lot to practice starting and stopping until it feels natural. Anticipate traffic and road conditions, selecting the appropriate gear before you need it. With consistent practice, you will develop a fluid driving style, making your manual Audi A5 a truly engaging and rewarding experience on every journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.